Welcome aboard. Today we're exploring the top cruise ships you should consider for your next adventure on the high seas. The ocean, a vast and endless blue, holds countless wonders. And for those who seek adventure, relaxation, and unforgettable experiences, there's no better way to traverse its expanse than aboard a luxurious cruise ship. Join me as we embark on a journey to discover the true titans of the sea, each one a marvel of engineering and design, offering a unique blend of opulence, entertainment, and exploration. From the behemoths that dwarf small islands to the sleek vessels that glide through the water with grace, we'll uncover what makes these floating cities so special. Get ready to dive into a world of extraordinary itineraries, sumptuous dining, world-class entertainment, and memories that will last a lifetime. Let's set sail. Our first destination takes us to the awe-inspiring Symphony of the Seas, a true colossus of the seas. This behemoth, the largest passenger ship ever constructed, holds within its hull a world of wonders waiting to be discovered. Imagine stepping on board a vessel larger than some towns, with a capacity to accommodate thousands of eager travelers. The Symphony of the Seas isn't just about sheer size, it's an ecosystem of experiences. With a staggering array of amenities, it caters to every whim and fancy. Daredevils can test their mettle on the tallest waterslide at sea, while those seeking tranquility can unwind in a sprawling spa sanctuary. Families can enjoy Broadway-caliber shows, while culinary enthusiasts can indulge in a symphony of flavors at world-class restaurants. The Symphony of the Seas is a testament to human ingenuity, a floating city that redefines the very essence of a cruise vacation. Our next adventure takes us aboard the Norwegian Bliss, a ship renowned for its modern design and thrilling onboard experiences. Here, innovation reigns supreme, evident in its stunning observation lounge, offering panoramic views of the ever-changing seascape. But the Norwegian Bliss is not just about serene contemplation. It's a ship that embraces excitement, most notably with its exhilarating racetrack, a first of its kind at sea. Imagine the wind whipping through your hair as you navigate the twists and turns, the ocean sprawling out beside you. The Norwegian Bliss seamlessly blends luxury and adventure, offering a unique and unforgettable cruise experience. Chapter 3, Queen Mary II, A Transatlantic Legacy. Prepare to step back in time as we board the legendary Queen Mary II, a true icon of the seas. This majestic vessel harks back to the golden age of ocean liners, exuding an aura of timeless elegance and grandeur. Unlike modern cruise ships designed for short itineraries, the Queen Mary II specializes in transatlantic voyages, retracing the historic routes of yesteryear. Imagine the thrill of crossing the Atlantic, just as generations have done before, with the endless horizon stretching out before you. On board, you'll be transported to a bygone era with its Art Deco interiors, ballrooms fit for royalty, and afternoon tea served with quintessential British charm. The Queen Mary II offers more than just a cruise. It's a journey through time, a testament to the enduring allure of classic ocean travel. Chapter 4, Disney Dream, Where Magic Sets Sail. Our voyage now takes us to a world of enchantment and wonder, where fairy tales come to life aboard the Disney Dream. Designed with families in mind, this whimsical ship promises an unforgettable vacation filled with laughter, joy, and a sprinkle of Disney magic. Imagine setting sail with your loved ones, surrounded by beloved Disney characters, immersive themed dining, and Broadway-caliber shows that transport you to fantastical worlds. From the youngest dreamers to the young at heart, the Disney Dream offers something for everyone. The Disney Dream is a testament to the power of imagination, a place where families can create memories that will last a lifetime. Chapter 5, Celebrity Edge, A Cut Above the Rest. Our final destination takes us to the cutting edge of cruise ship design aboard the Celebrity Edge. This architectural marvel pushes the boundaries of innovation, boasting a sleek, modern design that sets it apart from the fleet. One of the most striking features is the Magic Carpet, a cantilevered platform that moves between decks, transforming into a unique dining and entertainment venue. Imagine sipping cocktails high above the ocean, the sun setting on the horizon as the Magic Carpet glides effortlessly between levels. The Celebrity Edge isn't just a ship, it's an experience, a testament to the evolution of luxury travel. Outro, chart your course. There you have it, the top cruise ships to set sail on for an unforgettable journey. Bon voyage! From the sprawling decks of the Symphony of the Seas to the classic elegance of the Queen Mary 2, each ship offers a unique perspective on the world of cruising. Whether you seek adventure, relaxation, or a bit of both, there's a perfect cruise ship waiting to whisk you away to new horizons. So pack your bags, grab your binoculars, and prepare to embark on an extraordinary journey across the vast and magnificent ocean. The world awaits, and the open sea beckons you to explore its wonders.